What's up, fellow Craymanes? Here's how you can get the Nagmore Leather Boots in Crimson Desert. If you're on an adventure that requires a lot of swimming, or you're just after some boots with good stats, then make sure to stop for this one. The Nagmore boots offer 15 points in attack, 7 points in defense, with a level 2 critical rate and level 1 lightning resistance. Its Abyss gears offer a 2% swim speed multiplier and an extra 3 points in defense. You'll find these boots above the letter N and I of Demonis. It's directly to the left of the Golden Plains label, and if we zoom in, it's at the end of this path above Stronghoof Saddlery by the well. A heads up, the place might be hostile if you haven't progressed far enough into the game yet. When you arrive there, you'll see this well and barn. What we're after is inside that tower's upper floor. Climb up to that tower's balcony, go through the door, and you'll find the chest inside. Just loot the chest and the boots will be all yours. And that's all of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.